And just walking around the office, I've seen advertisements for these affinity groups. Can you tell me more about that, and how do you implement something like that while making employees feel valued as opposed to them feeling like you're placating them?
Yeah, so affinity groups are groups within the company of people who identify with different identities. So we have, or sort of culturally or socially or ethnically identify with that group, and then allies of their group. So we have, women's groups, and we have an LGBTQ group, and we have a Black employees at Zillow group, sort of across the board. And what this is it's a space for you to come and come into the workplace and talk about topics that are important to you as an individual, as a person, as an employee, and have a space to share and connect with others who are like you, but also others who are going through the challenges you are, or others who want to be your ally in what you're going through, both personally and professionally. And these are groups that do a number of things. They meet, they have Slack channels where they communicate, they bring in speakers, they have events and happy hours and reasons to gather. They sponsor events for the whole company so that we can all go and understand their human experience inside and outside the workplace, because we all become better when we open ourselves up to different experiences. And sort of more broadly, as part of diversity and inclusion, I think as an employer and as leaders, it's more important than ever for us to, as a company, create a company where people can feel safe and valued, that no matter what's going on for them outside the workplace, no matter what news item or social media thing or personal thing is impacting them, that when they come here, they feel safe and valued and feel like they belong and are appreciated, and then can go do the best work of their careers.